In this video, I am going to tell you about two such applications that if you go to the internet and search for software related to it, then you will have to spend a lot of money for it. But these are absolutely free and it should be in your computer if you are using Windows XP or using Windows 11. You have to keep this application in your computer, without spending a single penny. You can do thousands of paid work with them. So let's start without any delay. If I say that you have to convert the Word file into PDF in 1 second, if I say that you have to compress the video, then you can do it in just 1 second. If I say that you have to convert the PDF into PNG, then you can do it in a second. If I say you have to convert Excel into PNG and PDF, you can do it in just 1 second. So this software, I am going to tell you about in this video, it can do all your work within just 1 second, and the next software is also very powerful. So the first software is absolutely free. Its name is File Converter. Its link is in the description below. You can download it and it is going to do all your work in a second, for which you have to go online or download this free applications. Let's download the File Converter. You can download by clicking here and after downloading and installing it in your computer. For the demonstration, I have taken 5 types of files in the folder today, and these are 5 types of files. I will show you how useful it can be by using it, like, after installing the software. After that, right click of the mouse, the application will start appearing in this section. It is not visible now, but when you click on any file, then you will see the file here. You will see the option of converter. I will also tell you how useful it is. So the video here, let's show it by clicking the property. So if you see here, this video is of 531 megabytes and there are many online software to compress it, which charge a lot of money or earn money by showing ads. But if I say that you have to convert it absolutely free, you can do it. You don't need to open any application. Here you just right click on something and here go to File Converter and here to MP4, by clicking on low quality. How quickly this video will be converted in just 1 click, and its quality will remain exactly the same. Let me play and show you. Let's convert. So here you are seeing that the file has been converted. Now let me check the property of both the files. This file also tell you that this file was of 531 megabytes. Now by clicking on this file, you can see its properties. Let's see, after converting only 19 MB is left. Now by playing both the files, I will show the difference in quality. Like I will play the first file. Now there is this file which is of 531 megabytes and I can show it to you in quality. Okay, and now I'm going to play the 19 MB file. Look at this. So you have played both the files and seen the converter. You have understood how easy it is. I talk about MS Word file. If you want to convert something, then you have to go to different websites. Here, simple, you have to right click. If you want to convert to PDF, then click on PDF. If you want to convert to PNG, then click on PNG, and in PNG too, it will make all the pages as separate PNG. First convert it to PDF and show it with a single click. Have to do, it will take 1 to 2 seconds to convert the file. And you have got the file converted here. Let me close and show you that you are viewing these files are in PDF. After this here, if you have a PDF file and inside it you have created an ebook from the images and you want that you get a PNG document of each page, then simply you have to right click on it and convert the file here. Go to the option and click on the PNG page. As if you click, all the pages inside the PDF will be converted to PNG and come to you. In this way, now there were 4 pages inside it and all the 4 converted to PNG have come to us, and I will show you the PDF by opening it. Similarly, if you want to convert Excel file to PDF, then right click, go to File Converter. Here you will see the option of both PNG and PDF. You can easily convert it and do many experiments with the image. Suppose we have this image file and we have to convert it. So here you have to go to the File Converter. You can convert it to GIF. You can convert it to PNG. You can convert it to WebP. People who do blogging will know how important WebP is. After this you can also reduce the size of this PNG. And here you can convert any image file to JPG and also to PDF. So this software is recommended by me. You must have it in your computer. With this you can do many things and no separate application will not be needed. You do not have to open separate application. You have to right click the mouse and your application is ready to work. Then I am going to tell you the another application that is also very important. So if you like this application, then comment below, tell me quickly that you already knew about it. or came to know after watching this video. Now let's talk about our second application. The name of this application is Encrypto. Now why do we need it? Many times in the office we have such files which we have to keep hidden, for which we have to put a password on the file. You can put a password in MS Word. You can put a password in Excel. But there you cannot put a password in the image file, or there are some other files on which you cannot put a password. If you want to give a file to someone through WhatsApp or Facebook, then there is a danger that anyone can see and read your file and close it without your knowledge. Even on Gmail, now that you send the file, it is also stored on their server, so it's best to encrypt the file and send it to the other person. Sent it, tell him the password, he will open it. Then what will happen? Whether end-to-end security will remain or not, either only you will be able to open it or someone who knows the password will be able to open it and see it. So this is Encrypto. This is what it's work for. Encrypts the file. Very easy to use. You can download it from here. I am going to give it in the description. After that, when you download it, you do not have to do any applications here too. This also works with the right click of the mouse. Now suppose these are 4 PNG files and I want to encrypt them and send them to someone by mail. So just select all 4 in this way. Right click and here you will get the option. It will be visible and encrypt with Encrypto, and it will do it with such wonderful animation. It will also be visible in which you click like this. A window will appear in front of you. Well, its biggest advantage is that when the file is encrypted, you will not know what is inside it. Here you have to put the password and remember the password. Hope you keep it. But if the password is lost, then you will not be able to decrypt. Here you simply press the button of encrypt and here, your file will be encrypted with the best animation. Now you will see the option of save as below, or your original file will be in front of you and the encrypted folder or archive will be created separately. So you have to save it. Then I save in this folder. Come here. Now you are seeing that after seeing this file, you will not realize that what is inside it. Even if you try to open it, you will be asked the password first. Then first enter the password. Only then you can find what is hidden inside it. Now we enter the password and decrypt it from here. After decrypting, you will get this folder. You will also have to save this folder somewhere. So we will save it inside this folder. So you see that the file is all decrypted and I have a folder here. So this is also one such application must be in your computer. It is absolutely free. You do not have to pay any money for this too. So I hope you liked both these applications very much. You will have to comment and tell which of the 2 applications is good and why you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.